Hey guys, welcome back to our brand new video. So today we are going to be making moringa powder out of moringa and sweet sugar crystals. Let's get started to the process of making it.
Friends, why we are showing this moringa powder today? Because now in this situation, children are watching mobile continuously 2 or 3 hours. It is very harmful their eyes. This moringa powder, it is very useful for their eyes. Not only eyes, all many benefits are there.
That's why we are making this moringa powder. So we are going to show you how to make it. So you need a bunch of moringa, not that much, but a little bit of moringa, and you have to take it like this. Take it like this, guys, piece by piece. So you are thinking, what is moringa? So this is called moringa. This leaves which is there, this is called moringa. Guys, we can call this even drumstick leaves also. You can get this very easily. So after making it like this, you have to dry it. Guys, now we are pouring water for cleaning this moringa or drumstick leaves, and then you have to clean it very nicely. And then you have to pour some salt like this. After cleaning it, this drumstick leaves very nicely, you have to keep it in a plate with a cotton cloth on it, and you have to keep it away from sunlight. So keep it in a very dark place where sunlight doesn't come in, because that's the only way you can dry this moringa powder. I mean moringa leaf. Okay. After keeping it for 3 to 4 days, it will come like this, guys. It will become so dry, like a dried leaf. And then what you have to do is, guys, now what you have to do is, you have to take a mixie and mix it very nicely with sweet sugar crystals, like as you can see over here. With this you have to mix it. So
instead of sweet sugar crystals, you have to use sugar also, no problem.
You can take sugar also, it's not an issue. Just mix it like this, guys. Take some not
1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar.
1 or 2 teaspoons of sugar is enough, guys. If you are taking sweet crystals, means you can take it little bit, not that much. And then you have to mix it, guys. Like this. Guys, the reason why we are using crystal sweet sugar or sugar is for children, especially children, because its taste is so sour. That's why we are using sweet items to make it more sweety. So now it's time to mix it. So as you can see, guys, this is the final outcome of making this moringa powder. So the benefits of this moringa powder is, moringa drumstick leaves are considered as one of the most nutritious plants. Drumstick leaves helps to burn belly fat, not only fat but especially belly fat. It gives a clear and glowing skin, helps to balance hormone. It creates good cholesterol, reduces allergy issues. It is very good for eyes. So children, especially in this pandemic season, they are watching so much of mobile phones due to these online classes. So we recommend taking this every day, 1 spoon with water, and this will help in doing all the issues you have in your body, as I read before. So this is the moringa powder, and I hope you have subscribed to the channel. If you didn't, do it. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell icon for more interesting videos. Leave a like to the video, comment about the video. Until then, we will meet you next time. Until then, peace. Goodbye.